Have you ever stumbled across a site called Oowieh, or maybe seen it as Outlaw.com, and wondered if it's actually legit, or just another online scam? Let me break it down for you because in 2026, these sketchy stores are everywhere, and I've seen way too many people lose time and money to them. First up, the reviews. Real talk. Trustpilot is loaded with complaints about Oowieh. People are getting wrong items, empty packaging, or waiting weeks for things that never show up. And when they reach out to customer service, they usually get a canned reply from Emily, offering a tiny refund, like 10 or 20%, instead of a proper return. Not exactly inspiring confidence, right? Now, let's talk about the website itself. Oowieh uses generic templates you'll see on dozens of other consignment stores. The photos? Stock images? Nothing unique. And that address listed on their Contact Us page? Google Maps usually reveals it's just a regular house or a vague commercial building, not a legit business. So, how do you protect yourself? Always double-check the URL. Scammers love weird spellings and strange endings. Before you buy, search for their customer service email. If it pops up on a bunch of sketchy sites, that's a huge red flag. Stick to secure payment options like PayPal or credit cards. Never wire money or use gift cards. Want to go deeper? Look up the domain on ICANN. If it was registered in the last few months, be extra cautious. And always read the privacy policy. If they mention a totally different company, you're looking at a copied template. Bottom line, Oowieh shows all the classic signs of a low-trust, maybe even scammy shop. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is.